Stop for a second and look down at your legs. Do they feel heavy when you wake up? Do you find yourself gripping the railing tighter when you climb stairs? If you're over 60, what I'm about to share may shock you. This 78-year-old grandmother couldn't even walk to her mailbox without stopping twice. But just 72 hours after changing her diet, she was walking 2 miles. Her doctor called it medically impossible. And yet the truth is simple. 99% of seniors lose about 3% of their leg strength every year after 60, and most don't even realize it until one day. Getting up from a chair feels harder than it should. Today, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful foods that can restore leg strength in as little as 12 hours. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're everyday items, some of which you already have in your kitchen. And stay until the end, because I'll also share 5 powerful morning habits that make these foods 3x more effective. Why legs get weak with age. Before we dive into the foods, let's understand what's happening inside your body. As we age, circulation slows down, meaning less oxygen reaches your muscles. Inflammation increases, causing stiffness and soreness. Muscle fibers shrink, reducing strength and stability. Doctors often blame just aging. But the truth is, much of this is caused by nutritional gaps. By giving your body the right foods, you can reverse a lot of this decline. Food number 8, pumpkin seeds. The magnesium miracle. Let's start with something simple, pumpkin seeds. They might look tiny, but they're packed with magnesium, a mineral your muscles depend on to contract and relax properly. Low magnesium equals more cramps, more fatigue, and slower recovery. In fact, adults over 60 with low magnesium had double the leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with higher levels. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds give your body enough magnesium to begin muscle repair within hours. Tip: soak them overnight to reduce phytic acid and make minerals easier to absorb. Eat them raw, sprinkle over oatmeal, or blend into a smoothie. Food number 7, tart cherry juice. The inflammation fighter. Next is something delicious but powerful. Tart cherry juice. Robert, a 71-year-old retired firefighter from Phoenix, could barely keep up with his grandson. After I recommended tart cherry juice, by day 3 he was chasing him around the park. By day 7 he was playing soccer. His wife said, "He walks like he's 50 again." The secret? Anthocyanins, compounds in tart cherries that lower inflammation, improve blood flow, reduce soreness. Study found seniors drinking tart cherry juice had 23% less muscle pain and improved quadriceps strength in just days. Tip: drink 6 to 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice, unsweetened, in the evening or after activity for overnight recovery. Food number 6, cooked spinach. The circulation booster. Spinach isn't just a salad green, it's a nitrate powerhouse. When cooked, spinach nitrates convert into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves circulation to the legs. Studies show seniors eating nitrate-rich vegetables improved walking performance by up to 16%. Tip: cook spinach lightly with garlic or lemon juice. Cooking breaks down oxalates, making minerals easier to absorb. Food number 5, lentils. The steady energy source. Here's one many overlook. Lentils. Lentils combine plant protein plus slow carbs plus minerals. Exactly what aging muscles need. In one study, seniors eating lentils daily for 2 weeks had 22% more endurance compared to those eating refined carbs. They're rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch. Tip: cook with turmeric or garlic for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. 1 cup of lentils at lunch fuels leg recovery overnight. Food number 4, salmon. The triple powerhouse salmon is legendary for heart health, but it's also a muscle savior. Why? Because it delivers high-quality protein for muscle repair, vitamin D to activate muscle growth, omega-3, Fatty acids that reduce inflammation inside muscle fibers in one study. Seniors eating salmon 3 times a week saw a 24% increase in leg strength in just 10 days. Tip: choose wild-caught salmon. Even canned wild salmon with bones adds extra calcium for stronger joints. Food number 3, quinoa, the complete plant protein. Maria, 69, was nearly dependent on a walker after grocery shopping. Her daughter feared she'd need assisted living. But after following a quinoa-based routine, she went from struggling to walk to hiking with her daughter within a month. Quinoa is unique, a plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids. That makes it a complete protein. Similar to meat. Tip: rinse quinoa before cooking to remove bitterness, then simmer until fluffy. Within hours, it provides steady energy and improved coordination. Food number 2, beets, the circulation revolution. Beets are nature's performance booster. Their nitrates quickly convert to nitric oxide, expanding blood vessels and delivering more oxygen to your muscles. In one study, seniors who drank beet juice before walking improved speed and endurance by 19%. Tip: drink pure beet juice first thing in the morning or 30 minutes before activity for maximum effect. Food number 1, bone broth, the ultimate recovery liquid. Finally, the champion, bone broth. It's packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that repair muscles, joints, and connective tissues. In clinical studies, seniors drinking collagen-rich bone broth improve leg flexibility and strength by 36% within 1 week. Why so fast? Because bone broth nutrients are already broken down into liquid form, so your body absorbs them immediately. Tip: drink 1 warm cup on an empty stomach in the morning or after light exercise. 5 morning tips to boost results. Here are 5 small habits that make these foods even more powerful. Empty stomach power. Start your day with Tart, cherry, or beet juice for better circulation. Protein-carb combo. Pair proteins, salmon, bone broth, with slow carbs, lentils, quinoa, to avoid energy crashes. Recovery window. Drink bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after activity for faster repair. Magnesium morning fix. Soaked pumpkin seeds help cramps and stiffness. Nitrate breakfast boost. Add cooked spinach to your morning meal to supercharge blood flow. The big picture: weak legs aren't just about mobility. They're about freedom, independence, and dignity. The truth is, aging doesn't have to mean decline. It's often about nutrition, circulation, and recovery. And when you fix those, your legs respond fast. So you have 2 choices right now: do nothing and feel weaker every year, or try just one of these foods today and feel a difference within 12 hours. Margaret, Robert, Maria, they all chose option 2. And they're living proof that strength after 60 is possible. So what about you? Pick one food, try it today. Tomorrow morning, notice how your legs feel. And then come back and tell me your story, because your journey to stronger legs starts with your next meal. So you have 2 choices right now: do nothing and feel weaker every year, or try just one of these foods today and feel a difference within 12 hours. Margaret, Robert, Maria, they all chose option 2. And they're living proof that strength after 60 is possible. So what about you? Pick one food, try it today. Tomorrow morning, notice how your legs feel. And then come back and tell me your story, because your journey to stronger legs starts with your next meal. And if you're truly ready to take action, type "I am ready" in the comments. I'll be checking personally and replying to those who are ready to reclaim their strength.